XM Cloud, the hybrid headless content management system, can help your organization build standout web pages with a more efficient business user experience. Let's take a look at how Sitecore can help improve your time to market today. Here is the WYSIWYG authoring experience with a simple, intuitive design for quick page building. The component library provides everything in one place, including components for my developers and those I've built in Component Builder. So we can drag and drop those directly onto the page, and then we can map those components to pre-written content, or we could create our own. Then if I want to edit this component, for example, maybe I don't like this image, I want to change it, I can add an image from the built-in media library, or I can add it from the direct integration with Sitecore's Digital Asset Manager. This integration provides more flexibility for your content authors because it allows them to edit and crop images directly in the UI, removing those extra steps of downloading, editing, and re-uploading the images. Ultimately, this helps to provide a more efficient and seamless process for your content authors. Then we can continue building out this page. Maybe we want to add a rich text field, and we can drag and drop that in and start to edit that content. Now, depending on how all of these components are built, your content authors could have access to styling options, which would allow for slight changes to the component. Here I can add a highlight or custom bullets. So this ultimately is helping to provide flexibility for your content authors while still holding governance over your brand, helping to provide a more efficient content authoring experience. Component Builder provides business users the ability to create their own components, streamlining the process to turn around content quicker. Now, this is not meant to replace your traditional components, but it's a great supplement for situations like a seasonal promotion or time-sensitive content. I can start adding elements to the page that were predetermined in line with my brand guidelines to give business users autonomy without sacrificing brand consistency. Here I'm building a promo for a premium credit card, and I've added a header, a paragraph description, and a call to action button. Now I can add that background image, and when I'm finished, I can stage and publish this component to be available in my page building tool. As I refresh the page, you can see the component I just created is available in my component library to drag and drop on my page. Together, we build a static component, but you can also build dynamic components allowing you to reuse content. Component Builder gives content authors more autonomy for a faster time to market. With built-in component testing, your team can test variants to optimize your site for increased page views and decreased bounce rates and exit rates. Here, I'm setting up a component test where I can swap this component with a different one, or in this case, a different variant, as I want to see which image creates better results. I can preview how the page looks for variant A versus variant B, and then I can configure the test. First, I define a goal. For example, here I want to increase views of the Apply for Credit Card page. Then I can assign traffic and even set automation based on the results. Now I'll start this test, which will go live after I publish the page. And with built-in analytics, I can track the results of the test. Component testing helps your organization optimize your site to support your business outcomes. Forms provides a modernized and user-friendly experience for both business users and developers. Just like Pages, it offers drag and drop simplicity for a more efficient process. Here are my field options, where I can choose to make the field required or maybe set the character limit. Now I can drop the rest of the fields onto the page. When my form is complete, I can set logic to help increase the likelihood that my visitor will complete the form. For example, maybe I already purchased phone numbers from Yahoo, so for any email that contains Yahoo, I want to remove the phone number field. Now I can save and activate my form to be used either as a standalone component or seamlessly integrated with Pages. The form then appears in my component library, where I can drag and drop it onto my page. With built-in personalization, your organization can improve customer experiences on your site and increase engagement. By creating a new variant, I can customize this page for multiple audiences. About 20 conditions are included out of the box, and if you're further along in your personalization journey, you can absolutely choose to license the full personalization product. I can simply select the conditions I desire and fill in the blanks. In this case, I want to personalize a component for visitors who are coming from my premium credit card campaigns and who are also returning visitors to our site. Once I save the page variant, I can personalize the components on the page. Here, I want to change the content of this component to be in line with our campaign, showcasing the limited time offer. Now I can preview and compare those variants. And with real-time insights, I can analyze customer data to optimize performance with both site insights and page insights, where I can compare my page variants. XM Cloud can help enhance your organization's digital experiences with flexibility, speed, and scalability.